Hi guys, once again we're back with you guys for another episode here on our channel. Just here to tell you that we finally closed on our property here in Monrovia. We've done several projects this year and we were able to close on all of them before the year's end. This is one of the properties that we were able to start basically from the ground up and we're able to finish in a short period of time. We provide this channel to give you some more information in how you can learn to do these same type of projects. It's not hard at all. We show you step by step on how to do them. You can also look at other links on our channel to see and get better ideas on how you can do the same thing as well for your home. Or if you're looking to buy or acquire a property, then you can do that as well. Please subscribe and like to this channel. We give you lots of information. We're going to be giving you more information in the weeks to come. So this is one of the projects that we had. We closed it on time right before year's end. It was our gift from Santa. So basically we're looking for our next project. Please stay tuned to this channel and have a great and happy 2021.